In this video, I'm going to show you how you can approve, unapprove, and mark as incorporated any field insights that reps within your team submit on a particular battle card. So we're going to open up the Sugar CRM battle card, and before we go to the Fields Insight tab, we're just going to go here to win-loss themes, and we're going to see that one of the win themes that we have is that Salesforce have very strong AI capabilities, but we have mentioned that Sugar CRM is gaining ground. So if we come over to the Field Insights tab, we'll see that one of our sales reps has left us this update, which once we mark as approved will then be visible to all sales reps in our account. And one of the things that they've pointed out is that they've heard that a prospect is very impressed with their AI roadmap. And we also see that Sugar are approximately 20% below our pricing for this opportunity and are aggressively going after the healthcare sector. So with this information, I have a couple of different options. I can approve it, so this comment automatically appears here whenever another sales rep goes to the Field Insights tab. I can reject it if I felt that this information wasn't relevant or didn't add anything to our battle card. I can also completely delete the comment if I want to remove it completely. If we mark as rejected, basically we will still be able to see it as an admin or editor, but it won't be visible to sales reps, whereas marking it as delete will also clear it for us as administrators as well. The third option that sits in between these is the one that's marked as incorporated. And what this means is that we've taken the insight from this particular field insight and adapted our battle card to incorporate it directly. So for example, if we came over to the overview tab and scrolled down, we can see that we don't have healthcare marked as a key industry. Now, I'm not saying we automatically mark it as a key industry off the back of just one opportunity, but if we saw that as a reoccurring theme, we might want to edit our battle card, come over to the key details, scroll down to industries and add in healthcare. Similarly, we also have the win-loss themes where we do know that we have this one about Salesforce having strong AI capabilities and Sugar CRM is gaining ground. Maybe what we can say here is we previously said our strength may only last another 6 months. We might want to delete that and say the Sugar CRM AI roadmap is being well received. And let's say, for example, we know that they release their new features every 3 months. So we could say we expect their Q4 release, being the December quarter, to include significant AI enhancements. So we're still saying that we're strong here, and it might still be a reason why we win in the short term, but we're just making sure that based on the new insight that we've heard from our sales reps that the AI roadmap is being well received, and Q4 we do expect significant enhancements, and then maybe by that stage the win-loss theme needs to be completely updated or even removed. So we can see the update there. Coming over to the field insights, let's just run through these. So if we do reject it, as I said, it moves to the rejected status. No field rep will see this. We can move it back to pending if we did want to review it again, or have one of our other admins potentially review it before we decide to approve or reject again. We've got the mark as incorporated, which grays it out and acknowledges that it has been incorporated into our battle card. We also have the approve, which obviously turns it green so that now everyone can see it who has access to this battle card. And then, as I mentioned, we can also completely delete the note here, which I will do just for the purposes of this demonstration. You'll get a warning because this action cannot be undone. And there we go. This has been a brief video on how to approve and incorporate field insights into your battle cards on Playwise HQ. If you'd like to learn more about Playwise HQ, you can visit our website at playwisehq.com. Thanks very much.